In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in QuickBooks. This process will help you manage your projects more efficiently by keeping all your tasks organized within this robust accounting software. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate over to QuickBooks. If you haven't already, open up your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. Simply type in the URL, or you can search for QuickBooks online to find it. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not sure of your credentials, take a moment to recover them, as this is essential to proceed. Next, once you're logged in and on the home screen of QuickBooks, look for the menu button. It's usually located at the top or side panel of your interface, but don't worry if you don't find it immediately. QuickBooks frequently updates its UI for a more streamlined experience, so explore the dashboard a bit if necessary. Once you find the menu button, go ahead and click on it. After clicking the menu, you'll want to locate the Tasks option. It's typically placed towards the middle of the task list. Clicking on Tasks directs you to the Task Management section of QuickBooks. This is your hub for managing anything project-related, so becoming familiar with the layout here will definitely benefit you in the long run. Now you're in the Tasks section. Look for the Add Task button. This button is vital because it's your gateway to creating new tasks. Go ahead and click on Add Task. After clicking, a new window or section typically appears that allows you to enter specifics about the task you're adding. The first field you'll engage with is the task name. Click on this field to activate it, and then enter a descriptive name for the task you are creating. Try to be as specific as possible with the name, as this helps with identification later on. Once you have entered a name you're satisfied with, move on. Just below the task name, you'll see a description field. Click here and provide a detailed overview of what the task involves. The more information you provide, the better it is for anyone else reviewing or participating in this task. The next step involves assigning the task. Click on the Assign to field. Here, you'll be able to choose from a list of team members or users who have access to your QuickBooks account. Selecting the appropriate people ensures the task moves efficiently through its stages. Finally, once everything looks good and you've entered all the necessary information, it's time to click on the Save button. This action records your new task into QuickBooks, officially adding it to your task list. Now your task is live and ready to be worked on, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a task to QuickBooks. Remember that keeping your tasks up to date is crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing those tasks in QuickBooks.